and start recording. The purpose of this tutorial is to show how to work with snap points in the ArcDev kit. I've already started up. I've created a simple foundation to work with. Here's learn the resources. I'm going to give myself 5 walls. Make 4 foundations. That way we can actually work with this some. One of the most useful commands is debug structures. Whenever you're working with the snap points, that is pretty much a must because it reveals snap points. This is your standard wood foundation, and you've got your green outline as normal, but in addition you have the yellow spheres. Those yellow spheres are the different snap points. Those snap points are for walls, other foundations, ladders, ramps, all of the above. Anything that'll snap to it is actually shown. As you can see, dropping off a wood wall, you'll see where it can snap to turns blue. You see all the different blue spheres here. Wherever it's going to connect, you're also going to get the highlight of a from X number to X number. And for this, it's from none to 0 front, which is the snap point 0 on the wall and snap point 0 on the foundation. Now, say we're going back here. You're going from snap point 0 on the wall to snap point 4 on a foundation, which is the back one. Now, say you want to manipulate some of these. Come back here and you bring up on here snap. Okay, we're looking at 12. So you go into whatever you're wanting to modify, find snap point 12. Say you want to lower it. You can actually tell it's actually sitting lower. Or you want to raise it. And that actually pushes it up some more. If you want it to be like all the way down, reason to obstruct it. Let's see, what did I do? Okay, something is obstructing it whenever I push it down below about 15, down below 20. Something obstructs it. So you can I can set it as low as 20. Notice it does not change the ones you've already placed. You can even do slightly more or less overlap. You can raise it, you can lower it. You can even put a new one in the middle of the floor. Basically, anything you want to do with snap points, you pretty much can. More on the snap points outside of the actual editor view is on the forums. You'll see a list that looks kind of like this one here. Talks about all the different flags. Flag 0 is foundations, spike walls, pillars, all that. 4 is walls, 8 ceilings, so forth and so on. Then you have the flag types. There's more flags there. You have another set called groups. Group 2 is foundations, ceilings, pillars, door frames, all that. What it's talking about is right down here. The structure snap type flags. Everything that will snap to that structure. Basically, for the flag type 2 is foundations, spike walls, pillars, elevator tracks. What you can do is you can also set that to 6, or you can set that to a combination of things. The numbers are cumulative. If you want it to act as several different types of snap points, you add basically all those different numbers together, and that's what goes in that line. The 2-point snap flags for here says 14, meaning that what will snap to it is a cumulative number of 14. That'd be foundations, the pillars, elevator tracks, also walls and railings, and ramps. Ramps, ceilings, catwalks, all that. Those are snap flag 8. So you've got 8 for the ceilings, catwalks, ramps, 4 for the walls, and 2 for foundations, giving you a total of 14. The exclude is if you want to make one not snappable. Most time you just leave it at 0. It's not useful to do that. The match group is the next one to look at. And that's for if you want to have like foundations and walls and things like that all snap to it. You add those different numbers up. 2 is your most diverse group, or largest group of just structure flags, snap points. Foundations, ceilings, pillars, door frames, doors, window frames, windows, ladders, even the generator cable will go to it. This also works as a cumulative. One of the ones I'm working on now, you can actually set it up to where the generator will snap to a foundation, but you have to set that also. So that's the short of snap points. Thank you very much for watching.